Let's take a look at the chart action for Cardano. Alright, so here's what I'm looking at. We have resistance right here, and resistance right here. I've been watching this downtrend going something like this. It looks like we're coming up and testing it right there. Let's see if we could break out of this downtrend and start testing the previous resistance levels. I think if we break out of this downtrend, the next level I'd be looking at is around 2.42. We got resistance right there and resistance right here. We can do a trend line, maybe something like this. It almost looks like some sort of W pattern possibly. If we could break through to the upside right here, it'd be a W pattern, and what I would do is target from the top to the bottom of that W and then drag that to the breakout. If we could break out right there, and we'd be looking at a target of approximately 2.87. Step 1 would be breaking this trend line right here, and then step 2 would be breaking through this 180 moving average we have on the 4-hour time frame, because that might give us some resistance too, but it lines up somewhere along this resistance line, and if we could break through that area, then I'll be looking at this area around 2.87 or something like that. Right now I want to see us break this trend line right here. We can target this resistance level over here. We actually need to break out of this resistance zone. Then we'll be targeting this resistance zone and then this resistance zone. That's what I'll be doing pretty much. Like I said, I really want to see us break this trend line. Then we want to break this trend line. Then we want to come up and maybe try to hit this target. Step 1, step 2, and then step 3. If we jump over the total crypto market cap, it's looking very good. So we had our resistance, and we had our downtrend, something like we're looking at on Cardano. Cardano hasn't broken through like it has on the total crypto market cap, but you can kind of see what I'm kind of looking at. Like this compared to Cardano, this is like the future of Cardano possibly. We had that big downtrend. We were testing it on Cardano right now, but on the total crypto market cap, we actually broke through, and now we're up at our target where I was pretty much targeting on the total crypto market cap, this previous resistance zone. We're almost to this level up here at around 2.2 trillion, I think I was saying, something like that, this high over here. And let's see if we can kind of keep going. One thing that I do like that I'm seeing is where we broke through this 180 moving average right here. That's what I was talking about on Cardano. So I'm kind of curious if it'll do it on Cardano as well in the future. This is looking pretty good in general for the crypto market though. Like I've been talking about in pretty much every one of my videos, this resistance, we got a downtrend. I'm really watching that. We broke through that. That's pretty bullish in my opinion. If we go to the daily time frame, we can see that we also broke through the 9 moving average as well. We have the 9 moving average coming in right here. In general, I think it's good. It's a good signal when we break above this daily 9 moving average. What I really want to see us do is get support on it now. I want to see us bounce on it and keep going higher. Let's take a look at the weekly 9 moving average as well, because we broke below that for a minute and now it looks like we are back above it. So this is a very good sign to me as well. Let me delete everything so you can see this a little better. We have the 9 moving average coming in right here. Right now the price or the market cap is above that 9 moving average, and we were below it. That was really scary being below it. I'm not gonna lie, I was kind of worried about that. Right now we're above it. This is looking good. We want to stay above this 9 moving average. So I think the next thing we kind of look at is we have resistance right here and resistance right here. This is on the weekly time frame, and we can do a trend line, maybe something like this. If we go to the daily, it might look a little bit different, but it's very similar. Let's move it up a little bit. Yeah, I think this is the next line we're pretty much going to be looking to target. We had this downtrend right here, and it looks like that would be the next resistance line pretty much. Like I'm saying, I think we need to target this area first around 2.2 trillion, and then the next one would be up here at around 2.35 trillion. It does look like we're getting some nice momentum though, and I do like the way that we broke out of this 9 moving average and this downtrend. Let's keep an eye on this resistance level though. Alright, so we're back on Cardano, and like I said, we really want to break through this trend line right here. The next level we'll be targeting is around 2.42. Let's see if we could break through that level right there. We have this 180 moving average coming in. It might give us some resistance, but I really want to see us break through that. Then we can target around 2.88. So these Fibonacci levels have been working out pretty good. This is one reason why you guys should subscribe to my channel. If you guys go back and watch some of my older videos, or just even my recent videos, I've been talking about this 38% level and this 50% level, and we've been getting bounces on both of them, which is pretty awesome. I've been having my limit order set up, If it comes up and starts pulling back down, I'll take profits and set up my limit orders again. And it's been working out pretty good. So yeah, 38% level, 50% level. This 50% level looks like it's actually holding support on the total crypto market cap. And right here it is as well. Let's see if we could break through right here. The total crypto market cap's looking pretty good in general. And I think I'm pretty bullish on crypto. Let me know what you guys think in the comments. Alright, if you guys like this video, hit that thumbs up button.